Do you love delicious homemade dumplings? Who doesn't? But they're just so darn hard to make. Too big. Too small.
This time I got it. I don't even know how this happened.
And poorly made dumplings can have devastating consequences. Don't let this happen to you. With the Crazy Dumplings Cookbook and the amazing Dumpling Dumplinger, now available on Kickstarter, you can enjoy perfectly made dumplings every single time.
Look, dear, I made you these dumplings.
Wow! These are the most perfect dumplings that you ever made!
Yes, and it's all thanks to Crazy Dumplings and the Dumpling Dumplinger.
Just check out these testimonials.
Still, the best dumpling ever.
I only got one.
Can I have the dumpling, Vash? Vash?
Okay, I'm going to share these with other people now.
They're not. I can't even make this dumplings by myself. It's really good. It's a dumpling!
Want a dumpling, Jasmine?
Oh, sorry, I don't like the ball dumplings.
Don't miss your chance to learn how to make the most delicious and craziest dumplings on the planet. Go to Kickstarter and back the Crazy Dumplings Cookbook right now. But don't wait. If you contribute now, this amazing book with over 40 unique recipes can be yours for only $5. But wait, there's more. If you donate at the $10 level, you'll receive a handwritten postcard from scenic Changsha, China. But wait, there's more. Contribute now and get the amazing Dumpling Dumplinger at the $20 level. So don't wait. Act now before time runs out.
I love crazy dumplings!